In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google form using Google Drive. Now, Google Forms is a fantastic tool for creating surveys, quizzes, or any kind of data collection form with ease. Let's dive right in and get you started on your first Google form. To begin, we'll need to head over to Google Drive. You can access Google Drive by simply opening your web browser and typing in drive.google.com. Make sure you're logged into the Google account with which you want to create your form. If you're not logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password, so do that, and let's get going. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, take a look at the left-hand side. You'll see a button labeled New. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, hover over More, which will reveal another menu. In this menu, you'll find Google Forms. Go ahead and click on that to open a new form. It's that simple. You should now see a blank form template. At the top, there's an area for you to enter the title of your form. Think about what your form is for, whether it be a feedback survey, a registration form, or a quiz, and jot down a relevant title. Right underneath, there's space to add a description. This is optional but can be helpful for providing context or instructions to those filling out the form. As you scroll down, you can start adding questions to your form. Click on the untitled question and begin typing in what you want to ask. Notice how Google Forms intelligently suggests the most suitable question type, whether it's multiple choice, drop-down, a short answer, or an extended paragraph response. You can choose whatever format fits best by clicking the drop-down menu next to the question type. If you want to add more questions, just keep clicking the plus sign on the menu on the right-hand side of the screen. And don't worry if you make a mistake. Everything can be edited, rearranged, or deleted with just a few clicks. Once you're satisfied with your questions, it's important to customize your form a little bit. You can change the theme and the color by clicking the palette icon at the top. Pick a color or theme that fits the mood or branding of your form. Finally, when you're ready to share your form, click the Send button at the top right. You can share it via email, a link, or even embed it into a website. Choose the method that works best for you, and you're all set. Congratulations, you've just created your first Google form using Google Drive. Take your time to explore more features and remember that practice makes perfect. Enjoy your form building experience and stay tuned for more tutorials to help with your digital projects.